G'day guys, welcome today to a video that's not focused on how to use the tools but more focused on the fact that we would like to use the tools. Putting out a bit of a petition and a shout out for everyone to come and support a bit of a drive for Wizards of the Coast to give Lone Wolf Development the right to sell officially licensed Dungeons & Dragons 5th edition content. As you would be aware, many of us do use these tools to play Dungeons & Dragons 5th edition. We've been using them for years, and obviously we're all waiting to be able to purchase this content. And there's been a lot of discussion over the years about the fact that Lone Wolf Development have been in discussion with Wizards of the Coast. Don't know where those discussions have got to, but I think it's time that we, the consumers, basically let everyone know how we feel about the subject, and basically let them know that we're willing to vote with our wallets. So, if you would like to see D&D 5th edition content officially licensed in Hero Labs, possibly Hero Lab Online in the future, or even Realmworks, please consider signing this petition. Let's let Wizards of the Coast know that we would love to use their content within these digital tools. Thanks guys, cheers for your support, and as always I will speak to you on the forums.